Now wow, this kind insult advice when Davido they give when they call advice. My people, me I never see this kind advice before. It be like say this Davido, oh, he get K leg. If now like this they say advice, me I don't want any advice. So make I greet you now first, my correct people. Hello, my wonderful kings and queens. You're welcome back again to my channel. Yes, so I'm back again with another video. My name now Lady G. In case today now your first time when you come across this my channel, you never subscribe, I beg make you don't forget to subscribe and just click that notification bell if you don't watch this video finish, so that anytime when I throw away my gist like this, you know, go feel they miss anyone. Yes, my correct people. So this Davido matter and this P Square matter, the thing don't sweet my belly at all. I no go lie on at all at all. You know, just sweet my belly waiting Davido do for here. But first of all, make I let you know, make una not take am to be anything. I not be any of them fans. I not be P Square fans. I not be the Davido fans. Now let my work now they do for here the way where the team be now, so I think they talk am him. So this matter when just come they fly up and down for social media for some days now, sake of saying P Square. You know, now we don't saying with the brother they don't share Gary since 2017. As far as 2017, these people don't get this wahala now, say they don't want come back again, say make everybody work on, make every mala oh he own kettle. But people talk say they don't want put the matter for granted. Say as they don't talk to these people rich, say they must come back together by force. Then Davido can't drop this kind message for my people. I drop this screenshot for them when they see am. When Davido send this kind insult message to them on their birthday, in talk say now advice, now in they advise them. The whole matter like this, it happen when they celebrate their birthday. I know say they be twins. Definitely on the same day, now they go celebrate their birthday, and they know they play together. This Peter and Paul, they know they play together at all at all. So everybody can't do their own birthday. So the celebrities they can't still go their birthday. After they go this one unfinished, they can't go the other one. So Davido now can come and talk say all these people when be say then go the two of them all separately. He can't rain insult on them. My people now make a drop the screenshot on and make una self they see am. As he finish P Square and the family, he rain insult on them finish. Now so he follow the people when he go the party. I say, which kind of person be this Davido self? Now like this, they take the advice person. So the thing when he be say he bad for me pass well for inside. Now some people when they see they talk say they don't see anything wrong in waiting Davido talk. My people now they read waiting they write for them now. I don't want read down for now. I want make una read down about themselves. Make una self still take una eyes see am. If una see some place they use red mark am, wetin make am be like that. That to tell you say most of the words when he use for there, some of them they rough well for ear. Now make am they use red cover some of them, and yet some people they talk say they don't see anything wrong in waiting Davido talk say na advice. He just they try to advise them. My people now which kind advice be this? When I don't see this kind of advice before. Okay, let's assume me say now Davido now he get problem with another person. If he be brother or anybody when they close to her, and people don't try to tell them make them come back together. Then say they know they come back together. Say it's a reason best known to them. Then this P Square now they can't send this message to Davido for his birthday. They tell and say na advice. Now they take an advice. My people, una know now. Una know say Davido fans. Therefore don't chop P Square. Therefore don't chop them finish. Therefore don't finish them. Now therefore don't rush go the page. Put the whole insult and the cause when they this life. Therefore don't pour on for their head. They not go even wait make Davido self make it retaliate self. But because say don't reach Davido matter now, because say na person wanna like una don't say and say anything when he do say he do wrong. My people, he don't reach me with the cause spade is spade. This Davido, he needs to control himself for some certain area. If you be a fan, you know say you like Davido, make you try make you the advice am sometime, because this one don't they go out of hand. If you know say you really like Davido, you need to the advice am. Not be everything, not be person they chook mouth put, especially when you know say you know that is your voice, you know they compose am before you throw away. You know they chook mouth for something when be say you know say you know sabi talk, because this kind matter when they go grant. So this P Square, apart from say then with Davido they not be mates for age, then with Davido they see senior Davido for music, Davido na still young person for their hand. For you to come they pour all this kind of insult for their body for special day for that matter, and you dey talk say na advice, now you dey advise them. People when you still be like when that is people when be say they still be like say they supposed tell you say what you do you not do and well, maybe na mistake or something like that, you not get that attention, then they tell you say you do and well. My people, I don't see this kind of advice before. These people, when we they talk for here now, they don't be small picking. These people don't get this, they agbege. He don't say when the thing they for grant. Everybody don't talk as they go fit a talk rich. They say they not go green. I not go leave them. shey una go leave dem dey chop panadol for another man headache. Shebi una dey talk say na we no dey mind our business, na we be the bloggers wey be say we dey carry olofofo, we no dey mind our business. But this time around na come be the olofofo na. If na blogger carry this matter now, dey tell P-Square say make dem settle since how many years, dem don gree settle, we still continue dey talk the matter. Now go talk say make we mind our business. But na they come dey carry the matter, come dey carry am for head now. This same party when be say these people go now, these celebrities and other people when be say they attend the parties separately of P-Square, that is Peter and Paul. Two of them say that they okay by am. They know say they attend this one or they attend this one. They don't get problem with them. So what it can be Davido matter when it can be say it can divest and say why they attend the place separately. My people, they help person they do enemy. Sake of say P-Square and the brother say they know they come back together again. Then everybody when they around them go come they do enemy with help. Then they do any enmity. They help person they do enemy again. They help person they do enemy. This come back together when people they force them to come back. My people, make una not get me wrong. Not be say I talk say I don't want make them unite together. Yes, I want make them unite together. But if they talk say they no want unite together and then get their personal reason, una leave them at their own thorough be that. This thing when they talk, so not be only these two people not be involved for this matter. Jude Okoye dey for them. If you really see say na something be say they pain and two brothers, he know how to bring them together. This thing when they talk again, not be only three of them. Another person see involved when they call Lola, which is the Peter wife. This Paul when they for inside, he saying get big problem with that woman. He not like that woman. Even when I see and say for a birthday when the woman send a message, the way he take answer the woman in a very rough way. So if this woman they say they don't want to see her in the picture, even the Jude said say no one see her in the picture. So if now they force them and then get something when be say they don't want to make the public know, indirectly you are telling Peter when they for his side make it drive the woman so that peace go reign. Is that what you guys want? Make una leave these people in peace. These people are mature people, mature men. So they know what is good for them. If they say that so they want to, una don't try our best. Everybody don't talk for this matter. Una go leave them. But you know what advise other people to the help that they do enemy. Just sake of say because you know go the birthday party or because say you don't want near them again. Say because two brothers they quarrel for that one now you will come help them they do enemy. Another person no go fit do one like this. I bet make una try, make una dey advise Davido for some things. Make you not go jam some people when be say smoke they come out for hair for some time. Wetin no good. E good make we dey talk am. Make we no dey cover wetin no good just because say you like that person. Everything wey that person do is perfect. Adeleke get money, na Adeleke na him get the money. No be Davido get money, no be only Davido be Adeleke pikin. And we no dey hear whether they make wahala up and down sake of say they get money. And apart from that, no be only Adeleke, no be get money pass for that Nigeria. Na only Davido voice na we dey even dey hear pass the Adeleke himself when he get the money. Sake of say you come from rich family, that means say anybody no be anybody for your eye. Okay, the way it can be say Davido na dey throw insult for the whole celebrities when he go that party body and P-Square, everybody come against am, everybody come gather hand face am now. The next thing go come and say people don't like am because the papa get money. That one na the next thing we go dey talk. I beg my people, I go hang the matter for here. Just drop your comment below wetin you think. Hope to see you on my next video. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.